Let me be real with you. While everyone else is busy turning themselves into anime selfies using ChatGPT 4.0, a small group of people are doing something different. They are quietly building six-figure businesses using that same tool. And the wildest part? They don't have fancy studios, they are not designers, and they're not even showing their faces. They are using smart systems just like the one I've used to grow multiple online businesses. If you're tired of side hustles that go nowhere, if you tried posting but never get traction, then stick with me because in this video, I'm breaking down 4 insanely smart ways to use ChatGPT 4.0 to build a real income even if you're starting from zero. And I'll prove it with real examples, real earnings, and real results. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the fastest ways to monetize ChatGPT 4.0, Faceless YouTube channels. Check out this channel called Sleepless Historian. In just the last 60 days, they have pulled in over 400,000 new subscribers, over 15 million views, estimated earnings between $2,000 to $33,000 per month. Now here's the kicker. Their breakout video launched right around the same time ChatGPT 4.0 dropped. Do you think that's a coincidence? I don't think so. And when you watch their content, it's almost too simple to believe. Their visuals are created by ChatGPT 4.0. The voiceover, you can literally hear it's from 11 Labs. And the editing, straight cuts done in CapCut. Some of you are thinking, but their videos are 2 to 3 hours long? Yeah, but after the first 30 minutes, it's just a black screen with voiceover playing. Seriously? It's proof of what I've been preaching since forever. The faceless YouTube model is still wide open, and ChatGPT 4.0 just made it easier than ever. You don't need animation, you don't need to be on camera. All you need is a format, a great idea, and 3 tools. That's it. And this format works for almost any niche. Bible stories, calming bedtime tales, sleep content, affirmations. I won't go through the entire creation process here or would be here all day. But if you want a full step-by-step tutorial, simply drop the word YouTube in the comments and I'll prioritize it in my next upload. Next up is digital printable bundles for kids. A perfect business if you already run a kids YouTube channel or you want to launch one. You can turn your videos into printable products parents actually pay for. Think alphabet charts, flashcards, coloring pages, routines, daily affirmations. Let me show you the numbers. Using a tool like Everbee to analyze Etsy, you'll see listings with thousands of sales. For example, you'll see businesses are raking in $2,000 per month or more per pack. And this is not a theory. These are real numbers. Now here's how you can make your own in minutes. Simply prompt ChatGPT like this. Create a colorful watercolor style illustrated poster of vegetables in flat designs. Carrots, garlic, broccoli, onions, tomatoes, etc. Include playful fonts, simple layout, and clear labels. And boom, it creates a beautiful print-ready image. You can take it a step further by pasting a best-selling Etsy image into ChatGPT and ask it to make a unique version with a similar aesthetic. Bundle a few together, save as a PDF, and you've got a digital product. And you'd ask yourself, where do you sell this? Well, simply start your own site, something like kidoprints.store. You can use Shopify. They're currently giving a 3-day free trial or £1 a month for 3 months. And if you want to go pro, like you want to really look pro, get a .store domain. It is clean, powerful, and it converts into sales. Big names like Michelle Obama, Mr. Beast, Rihanna, Cristiano Ronaldo use .store. Next up, we've got custom portraits. We're talking about pets, couples, families, the whole deal. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably asking yourself, isn't this saturated? But check this out. On Etsy, a store with just 18 listings is earning over $26,000 a month. Most of them offer digital only files, meaning 80 to 90% profit margins once it's automated. Here's how simple it is with ChatGPT 4.0. You take the customer's image, say a grandma and her grandbaby, upload it alongside a reference image from a best-selling Etsy store, and simply prompt it to create a watercolor style portrait inspired by the images attached, preserving their features. Seconds later, you've got a gorgeous professional image on your hands. You can do the same for pets too. One store turning pet pictures into 3D picture style portraits is making thousands of dollars per month. Simply upload the dog photo, ask for picture style, retain key traits, and in seconds it's done. Honestly, this used to take hours of Photoshop work. Now it's minutes. Up next, we've got children's books. If you've ever dreamt of creating a children's book but felt overwhelmed by the writing, illustration, or publishing, ChatGPT 4.0 just deleted every single excuse you've got. And here's how. Start by using ChatGPT to generate the story. Choose an age group, and in the prompt imputed here, the selected age group is 4 to 6 years. Pick a theme such as kindness, courage, friendship, curiosity. Just use your imagination and prompt it for simple age appropriate storytelling. And here you go. Here's the result. And go ahead to further ask it for a page by page illustration ideas. That is by requesting it to give you a full page illustrated scenes, ensuring to keep the character consistency across every page. After that, we'll then ask it to create image by image for you along with the text or story of each page. Ensure to keep improving the prompts until you get each page right, along with the text, your font size. As you can see here, we've got image consistency, error-free text, so you just keep working on it till you get all your pages out right, looking exactly how you want it to look. And then you'll drop your downloaded files from ChatGPT, you drop them into Canva, you format them into print or digital format, and ensure to save as PDF, ebook, or ready to sell files. You can sell on Etsy, Amazon, or your own site. Honestly, it's all made easy. And a pro tip, don't stop at one book. I keep saying this, create a series. For example, like The Adventures of Nila and Harry, Curious Creatures of the Forest. Honestly, just explore and expand. Series drive repeat sales, it ensures to build brand loyalty, and it makes your shop unforgettable. And honestly, we've only scratched the surface of what's possible. If you're serious about making real money with AI, not just watching others do it, then watch this next video where I show you free AI tools that can help you create, sell, and automate your first digital product today. Tap the next video. I'll see you there.